Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this memory ball that's inspired from Inside Out. So select your video and I'm just going to go to the ratio, and I'm going to select the 1:1 frame ratio, and I'm just going to zoom it in. Then I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to try to find I think it's in lens, I'm not sure. It's like the fish eye ones. Let's see what it looks like. It's like the circle one though. Okay, it's the one at the bottom here. Oops. Okay, maybe not that one. What about this one? Okay, this one's a good one. Fish eye 3. I'm kind of learning as I'm going. Okay. Select the Can I put it in the Okay, let's not do that. Oh, you can also use fish eye 1. I'm just going to use this, actually, it's fine. Select both, create compound clip, and I'm just going to scale it down a little bit because it's too big. Go to media and go to library, and you can add in any color that you want, for the highlight of it. Maybe this yellow one would be good. I'm just going to scale it up. Oops, sorry. I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. Go to mask, add in circle, adjust it to the whole bit, I guess. And then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to select circle again, and I'm going to select invert, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to make it to the highlight, so put it here, and I'm going to feather it out and just a little bit. I'm going to move it upwards, and if it's too bright here, you can adjust the opacity. I'm just going to leave it because I like it. And then you can add in the shadow. You can add the black stock video. If it's not covering it, just the freeze frame here and delete the rest. Then we're going to select mask, and we're going to select circle, and we're going to fill the globe. I'm just going to also go back to basic, and I'm going to change the background so I can see a little bit better. Like that, maybe. Right click, create compound clip, go to mask again, and then select circle, but invert it. And you're going to create that shadow effect. Go back to basic, you can adjust the opacity here. And that is basically it, really. You can also add in another shadow if you'd like to. I'm just going to select and do compound clip here, and I'm going to go back to mask, and I'm just going to place it kind of down here, and I'm just going to place it behind. Okay, I'm going to need to add a background behind this layer. Hold on. Sorry, I don't know why it's taking me so long. I'm just going to add a purple background. I feel like that'd be cute. Let's extend that, and we're going to kind of add in a shadow here. Feather it out a little bit. And that's it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.